Hey, in this video, I want to share the question, is Getida legit? So in this video, I'm going to show you my account of Getida. It's an Amazon FBA reimbursement service, and I'm going to show you the results I've gotten so far with Getida. In the description of the video, you are going to find a free account of Getida with a special $400 in free reimbursements. That means that if Getida will be able to reimburse money for you, then the first $400 are going to be commission free. So they're not going to charge their commission for that. Basically, what Getida does is they help you recover money from Amazon. Sometimes Amazon loses your products, sometimes they damage them, and many other reasons. Sometimes Amazon owes you money for that. Many times Amazon reimburses you for that, but many times they kind of don't. So Getida can help you with that. In the description, I'm going to have a video review of Getida with Yoni Mazor, CGO at Getida. It shows you what Getida is all about. I interview him there. Myself, my name is Vova, Amazon seller. Great to meet you. Been selling since 2016 on the platform, still active. And also, I'm going to have another video for you, Getida tutorial, that shows you how to use Getida. We're going to show you step by step how to use all the parts here, dashboard, inbound shipments, pick and pack, everything. But in this video, I just want to show you the results. So let's see, for the last month, we have recovered $1,205 and only 3 cases were filled, but one was pretty big. So we got reimbursed like $1,176. So that's pretty nice. I can show you, let's say from the beginning of the year, from the 1st of January, let's see, we have also there's like potential financial recovery here. As you can see here, since the beginning of the year, totally we recovered $3,650, 42 cases. And we can go through them here. You see the cases are by the date filed, and you can see how much money was reimbursed. So what's really nice is like it's not big amounts each time, although the recent one is like pretty big, but still like they're always doing their job. And I think it's pretty cool. So they're able to recover money consistently for me. And as you can see, $3,650. I believe from this amount, we are paying Getida 25%. So basically we're getting paid by Amazon on these reimbursements like a salary. It's part of our salary because Getida kind of files cases with Amazon and helps us with that. It's pretty much hands off. Then we get paid by Amazon, and then Getida kind of takes their cut, which is 25%. So in the description, I'm going to have free account with a special offer and special promo code for Getida. This is going to be an affiliate link. Means that if you ever do business with Getida, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content here. So again, is Getida legit? Yes, it does work. You can see, like I showed you, like, you know, for this year, 2023, and all the time they're recovering money. And recently we got a big recovery. Now, bear in mind, our store does like, you know, maybe $500,000 in sales per year. This is just our results with Getida. I encourage you to check it out, sign up through my link if you want to support my free content. I do appreciate that a lot. If you are looking for Getida alternatives, then I'm going to have a video in the description for you that kind of shares other alternatives. Like, honestly, for me, this is the go-to tool right now, but there are some others, and people maybe have different preferences or just want to see what else is there. So Getida alternatives video is there. Also the Getida tutorial, Getida review, all the videos, and the free trial, or actually free account with a special offer. And I'm wishing you a great day.